Alright, hi guys. I'm gonna just escape with the Warning Skate Shop on Central. Yeah, I know all of them. I'm gonna just give you a quick brief of what I got from them. Got this terrific Warning Skate Shop. Never stop the shop, love the shop. Can't do nothing without the shop. Here's my board. Warning Skate Shop is kind of messed up already. I know it looks like the Lakers, but it's not. And customized deck. Just made it. Still working on it.
What do you think?
It's alright.
Why don't you stay and watch Watchmaker, see what happens when the sun goes down, and then check out the crop circle. But do not engage with, name, or in any way kill. But the king doesn't involve whatsoever. Anything happens.
And I shall do it. Peace.